Account segmentation in Oracle Sales Planning enables you to organize and analyze your accounts by groups such as product, geography, and industry, helping you focus on the most valuable relationships with those with high opportunity potential. These insights help you define the most informed sales strategy and make optimal account and quota assignments. Without a well defined account segmentation strategy, it's difficult to fully understand your account's spending patterns, competitive responses, and other key factors needed to assess revenue potential. Oracle Sales Planning provides a purely data driven approach to account segmentation, eliminating reliance on estimates and intuitions in this complex, high stakes process, typically conducted at the start of the fiscal year every 2 to 3 years, so you can align your sales organization to maximize and achieve target revenues. To define the right account segmentation plan, select the model that best fits your sales strategy. Stratification to group by employee size or business type, such as enterprise or commercial, product to group by product, hunter farmer to group by potential or existing accounts, buyer to group by persona needs, such as chief financial officer, vertical to group by industry, geography to group by countries and regions, or hybrid to group using a model combination. To enhance segmentation, you can use historic multidimensional data analysis, scoring and ranking rules, and predictive capabilities to leverage your data to optimize account assignments by territory and rep. Before selecting a segmentation model, consider your company's maturity, product portfolio diversity, market, and your sales organization's investment ability. Let's explore account segmentation in a sample application. Here, you can see how accounts are segmented by groupings such as employee range, status, and industry wallet share. And you can display accounts by industry. You can apply scores to different segments based on grouping criteria such as employee number, annual revenue, and organization size. This lets you group, weigh, and adjust segments differently. With this information, you can identify possible changes in the sales organization structure or strategy, such as restructuring by account segments, targeting companies of 10 to 50,000 employees, or focusing on high-tech accounts. You can also configure additional attributes to resegment accounts, such as addressable market potential. With account segmentation planning, you can review and modify account profiles. Based on your changes, different segments are recommended, although you can perform overrides. For example, a commercial account is recommended to be resegmented as a key account if you choose a different employee or revenue range. Based on the revised segmentation, you can assign or transfer accounts across territories or sales reps. To learn more, visit docs.oracle.com.